A Zimbabwean court has set free Martha O'Donovan, an American citizen, who was arrested last year and charged with subverting a constitutional government and undermining authority of or insulting Robert Mugabe, the country's former president. Harare Magistrate Nomsa Sabarauta removed O'Donovan from remand after she granted an application filed by her lawyers Rosalind Hansi and Obey Shava from Zimbabwe Lawyers for Human Rights, who had challenged the continued placement of their client on remand without being given a trial date. Hansi and Shava had on the 8th of December 2017 filed an application for refusal of remand on the basis that the state wasn't ready to proceed to trial and that prosecutors had insufficient evidence to sustain the charges leveled against O'Donovan. At her last appearance in court on the 8th of December 2017, Magistrate Sabarauta had made a determination that she was giving the state one last chance to put its house in order, failure of which she would set O'Donovan free. Magistrate Sabarauta ended the persecution of O'Donovan and ordered the state to proceed by way of summons if it intends to pursue with prosecuting the American citizen. O'Donovan was arrested on Friday, the 3rd of November 2017 and charged with subverting constitutional government as defined in Section 22(2)(a)(1) of the Criminal Law Codification and Reform Act, Chapter 923, and undermining authority of or insulting the President in contravention of Section 33 of the Criminal Law Codification and Reform Act, Chapter 923. Prosecutors claimed that O'Donovan undermined authority of or insulted Mugabe through posting a message on microblogging site Twitter, which reads, "We are being led by a selfish sick man," which included a picture illustration of the former ZANU-PF party leader with a catheter. The prosecutors charged that the message allegedly posted by the American citizen was abusive, indecent, and obscene and aimed at undermining authority of or insulting Mugabe. The prosecutors also claimed that O'Donovan systematically sought to incite political unrest through the expansion, development, and use of a sophisticated network of social media platforms, as well as running some Twitter accounts under the handle Mugabe Network Trust, at Madagari and Open Parlas with a view to overthrow or attempt to overthrow the government by unconstitutional means. The prosecutors charged that O'Donovan was the mastermind behind an organized social media campaign aimed at overthrowing or attempting to overthrow the government by unconstitutional means and was the central component in a highly organized attempt to replicate offline uprisings like what happened in Tunisia and Egypt. The American citizen became the first person to be arrested and charged with abuse of social media since the Zimbabwean government established a Ministry of Cybersecurity, Threat Detection and Mitigation in October. Join Bulawayo 24 online community.